Howdy folks, welcome back to another little how-to tutorial. Today we got a 2022 Chevy Silverado 1500 with the 2.7 liter inline 4 turbo. I'm going to show you how to check your cabin air filter. So without further ado, let's get into it. So you're going to come into the passenger front door to gain access to your cabin air filter. It's behind the glove box, so go ahead and pop this down. You got a little dampener right here, and all you're going to do is push it to the left center console, and that slides out of place. I'm going to move this up out of the way like so, and then you got these tabs you got to push in each side, and it allows that to drop up out of the way. You got this little tab here that you're going to push to the right, and it's going to release the backing, but see how it's stuck? Then you got to slide this whole thing to the left out of that groove, and that kind of comes out. I have access to your cabin air filter. Make sure you take note of the direction of the flow so that when you insert your new one, you do it the same way, and just stick your finger in there and try and get it out. After you get that busted free, you can pull it out. It's getting pretty grimy. Yeah. Part number for today is CF1184C, another AC Delco brand filter. The platelets are that same color, but for the amount of dirt that I just knocked out of this, that was definitely not conducive for what was coming through the cabin. All right, so now you just slide the new one up in there. Make sure you have the indication for the correct flow, airflow there. And just stick that back up in there, make sure it's not binding. There we go. Once it's sitting in there, you take your cover again and just reverse the process. I'm gonna stick that up in there into the slots, push it to the right until it locks in behind those tabs, get it in the grooves, and then you can click it back down in place. Once you get those grooves set behind the slot there, and then that pushed down until it clicks, you're good to go. Now we'll reinstall our glove box. Simple as that, is just lining up these grooves onto the pin there, and then press that up until those latch back in. We're going to take our pin here, which is the easiest to get back down, and then we're just going to kind of bring it out, slide it over that, and click it back on. So after you get it pulled back down and lined up, go ahead and stick that down onto the peg and push, and there you go. And that's that. Close it again, and that's all there is to it. Folks, thanks for joining me for another little how-to tutorial. If you found this video helpful or useful, leave us a like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel and the business. It means I can bring more content like this to you. If you have any tips or tricks that would make that a little easier, leave it down in the comments and I'll pin it so that everyone else can see it. Until next time, as always, take care, God bless, peace.